Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to keep your iPhone from dimming. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To prevent your iPhone screen from dimming, you need to adjust a few settings related to auto lock, true tone, night shift, and auto brightness. Here's how to do it. First method, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Tap on Auto Lock. Choose Never from the list of options. This will prevent your screen from turning off automatically. Next method, still on the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll down to the bottom and toggle off Auto Brightness. Another method, still on the Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness. Toggle off True Tone if you want the screen color and brightness to remain consistent. Last method, still on the Display and Brightness, tap on Night Shift. Toggle off Scheduled or adjust the settings to suit your preference. By adjusting these settings, you can prevent your iPhone screen from dimming and keep it at consistent brightness level. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.